Scott's Turf Builder Southern Triple Action Review. Want to clear off weeds permanently from your lawn? Scott's Fertilizer for Bermuda Grass is the perfect option for killing and preventing weeds in your garden. The new 3-in-1 Southern Triple Action Turf Builder formula can kill weeds like clover, oxalis, dollarweed, etc. Apart from handling weeds, the fertilizer also kills and prevents grass invasion by pests. Example of such pests includes fleas, armyworms, chinch bugs, ticks, mole crickets, fire. Moreover, the fertilizer is versatile for southern grasses like carpet grass, St. Augustine grass, zoysia grass, and centipede grass. The brand has made the app available for download to estimate the coverage. Thus you can adjust the setting and apply the product following manufacturer requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.